Hi guys, this video is called Combining Like Terms 1 because I found that there was too much information about combining like terms to put in just one video, so you're going to have two. In this video, the purpose is to simplify simple expressions that contain like terms. And to watch this video, you'll need some scrap paper and a pencil. If you need to pause the video to go gather those materials, do that now. Okay, now that you're back and you're ready, let's talk a little bit about what you already know about combining like terms, which is actually a lot, even though you've maybe never heard that phrase before. When you were younger, you probably learned that 3 apples plus 5 apples equals 8 apples. When you have a label that you've stuck on to a number, you just add the digits, add the numbers, and you keep the label the same. That came in handy when you learned about adding fractions. If you think of the eighths part, or in this case, the denominator part, as your label, and you just add the numerator part, then you have kind of the same idea. 3/8 plus 5/8 equals 8/8. So you're keeping the label the same, or the unit the same, and you're just adding the digits. Well, that can be the same, you can think of it the same way when you're talking about algebra and letters. So if I had 3 n's and I'm adding 5 n's to it, I would end up with 8 n's. 3n plus 5n equals 8n. And I just kind of drew out what that looks like. Here's 3 n's, here's 5 more n's, and I get 8 n's. Or in other words, 3n plus 5n equals 8n. So we're going to practice a little bit here. That's what your scrap paper is for. I'd like you to pause the video, work through these problems, and then when you hit play again, we'll work through them together and I'll show you how to solve them, and you can check your work and your answer. For number 1, we have 4p plus 2p. So pretty straightforward. We're going to add 4 plus 2. That equals 6. And what are they? They're p's, so we have 6p as an answer. Number 2, 10r plus r. Just as a reminder, r has kind of an understood 1 that is its coefficient. It goes with it. So this is really saying 10r plus 1 more r. So the answer is 11r. Number 3, if we have negative 2t, so we owe 2 t's maybe, and we're adding 4 to that, negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2, and we just bring our unit along, t. And in number 4, we have a slightly longer expression, but the same rules apply. Negative 5 plus 9 would be a positive 4, so negative 5x plus 9x equals positive 4x. Positive 4x minus 3x is just 1, 1x. Or like we talked about up here, we could just say x.